Sasa tuingie viwanjani. Naitwa Davis Mberia. Dereva kutoka Estonia Ott Tänak alichukua uongozi katika siku ya kwanza ya mashindano ya magari ya Safari Rally. Tänak aliandikisha muda wa dakika 9 sekunde 52. Takamoto Katsuta alishika nafasi ya pili huku Gregor Munster akimaliza katika nafasi ya 3. Mashindano hayo yataendelea hapo kesho katika eneo la Naivasha katika kaunti ya Nakuru.
Those pace notes.
Yeah, have to rewrite completely new pace notes. So the ones from last year, whereas they could have just carried the ones from last year straight into the stage, just checked them and then gone, right, okay. But now it's completely fresh pace notes. There's been quite a lot, and there's been I say quite a lot. There's been a huge amount of work to do for the co-drivers.
Let's make there about the fact that I mentioned it earlier that it has been Toyota happy hunting ground, hasn't it? The last 4 years, it's certainly been the car that's proved a lot more durable. Have you seen enough from Hyundai that over the last sort of season or so?